In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sort columns in your tables here in Google Sheets. So if you have converted some of your data into a table, like for my example right here, I have a movie list converted into a table, and this is what it's going to look like. For each of these columns, you will get a drop-down menu. And for that drop-down, you will get these type of options. One of these options would be your sort column option, where you can sort A to Z, Z to A, fill color, and text color. Now, for obvious reasons, I cannot select fill color or text color because I don't have those here in my data. The only options that I have are to sort A to Z and to sort Z to A. Let's try and do that with our director column right here. So again, to sort that column, go to this drop-down, select sort column, and select whichever you want to do. So it's either ascending order or descending order. Let's try A to Z, and there you have it. So now our director column is alphabetically arranged, starting from A, going down to the last letter Z. Let's try and do that with our genre column. Let's go to that drop-down, select sort column, and select sort A to Z. There you have it. Although we have sorted this column right here, it doesn't remove the sorting that we did in our previous column for the director. It's still alphabetically arranged, but based on the genre right here, which is the latest sorting that we did in our entire table. So you don't actually just sort one column. You are sorting the entire table based on the sorting that you did for that one column. So again, if I try and do that with our budget, go to that drop-down, select sort column, and this time we're going to do descending order. If I click on that, there you have it. Again, all the sorting that we did are still applied with our different columns. So your data will be arranged or will be sorted based on the latest column that you have sorted, which in our case would be this budget column right here, which is in descending order. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to sort columns in your tables here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.